Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this assorted meat pepper soup, so stay tuned and keep watching. And here are the things I used. Here are some assorted meat which I will introduce later, and over here is dry scent leaf. You can make use of fresh scent leaves if that's what you have. I will also be making use of some fresh spinach just to add some color to it. And here is dry crayfish. Here are some pepper soup spice, and over here is oshosho. I don't know the English name, but this is what it looks like. It's a herb or spice used in cooking pepper soup. And here is seasoning cube. We're making use of now cube. Here is African nutmeg, Gouda, store-bought pepper soup spice, uziza seed, some thyme, and I also got ginger and garlic paste. I'll be putting the link to this in the description box below because I've prepared it on this channel. I have some salt, and I also got some onion and habanero pepper. You can make use of any pepper of your choice, more or less, okay? And for the meat, okay, let me remove it from the nylon so I can introduce it. Here is some stripes, also known as shake or towel. And I also got some cow food. All the meats are well clean. I've washed it several times, and I still got some cow food in here. I also have some goat meat as well. All the meats are also cut into biteable sizes, as you can see. And I also got some cow food in here as well. And another meat I have in here is some gizzard. You can make use of any assorted meat of your choice. You mustn't use the meats I use, okay? I already washed the gizzard as well. And the final but not the least is some liver. I have some liver inside this nylon. I'll be adding it last. That's why I don't want to open it yet. You can as well make use of kidney if you don't have liver, okay? Or you can use the two. So let's get right into cooking. I'll be adding the hardest meat first, which is the shaki, the cow foot and the cow tail. And I will be adding water to it to the level of the meat. And after that, I will be adding the pepper soup spices I introduced earlier. Then I'll be adding nor cube to it. You can make use of any seasoning cube of your choice. You must not use nor cube, okay? Then I will be introducing the ginger garlic paste. I'll be leaving the link to this in the description box below, and this can last for more than 6 months. I'll be blending my onion and habanero pepper. You can use Cameroon pepper or any other hot pepper of your choice. You can skip pepper if you don't like pepper. And after blending it, I'll be adding it in. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. My old subscribers, thank you so much. And my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Now I'll be adding in some salt to it. Then after that, I will cover and cook this for 25 minutes until it is at least 80% ready. Not that tender, but at least 80% done. And after 25 minutes, I will allow the pressure to go out. Then I open it and transfer it into another pot, because I will not be cooking it through with this pressure pot. So if I add other meats, I transferred it to another pot. Then I'll be adding the remaining meat, which is the goat meat and the gizzard. Then I also be following it up with the liver. You can add your kidney now if you're using kidney or heart. If you can find roundabout where you live, you can also add it now. I couldn't find it. So I will cover my pot and allow this to cook for 15 minutes. Goat meat here don't take time to cook. As you can see, this one is almost falling off the bone, which is a sign that it is cooked. I'll be taking off the oshosho, that's pepper soup spice. Then I'll add in the scent leaves and the crayfish. I will stir, test for salt. Yeah, it's remaining a little bit, but I decided to add just one seasoning cube, half a one of seasoning cube. You can add a little bit of salt to yours. Then I will stir again, and I will cover to cook the stock cube just for 3 minutes. And after that, I will give it another stir, and I will add the scent, no, not the scent leaf, the spinach. And after adding the spinach, give it a stir and turn off the heat immediately. Then serve and enjoy with your agidi or your rice. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.